Start in 3, 2, 1, dive.
Wilsonville qualification 31. Flaming Chickens elevator all the way up very quickly. And Nerd Herd joining them on the blue side of the field. That's 2 coral up for blue, 1 coral up for red. But Skynet returning, and it doesn't look like they have a coral on board. But the drivers will take control and see if they can catch up on that red alliance. Metal Mallards over by the human player station with the yellow submarine, their robot. And their elevator is up to the top on the opposite side of Skynet. Skynet places 1 coral up on that L4, and Metal Mallards place 1 on that L4 on the other side. Blue Alliance and Shockwave isn't moving right now. Will they be able to regain control of the robot? We're going to find out in their match. They do manage to shake it a little bit, but their alliance partners, Nerd Herd and Flaming Chickens, doing their best to maintain position on the field and move. 1540 going over to the human player station, where a lot of coral has been dropped by the human player onto the ground for Chickens to be able to grab. And 4488 Shockwave seems to still be having some issues. Let's see if they can fix themselves and get moving again. The top half of the Blue Reef is looking rather full. Red Alliance also looking rather full on the top half of that reef. 73 points to 51 points at the moment, and very tippy by the Metal Mallards with 1 minute left in play. And currently, Pandemonium over on the blue side of the field seems to not be moving. They seem to have disabled or been disabled. We'll see if they can come back at any point in this match. I don't see flashing stack lights, which means, oh, I do see flashing stack lights, which means they might be in, they might not, but their RSL is blinking, and so they appear to have come back. Skynet, arm up to the very top position on the red side of the field, lining up. Will they be able to score that 4th level? Yes, they do. Their alliance partners, Metal Mallards, do the same as they line up by the red reef. 4488 Shockwave spits out a coral from their robot, and I wonder if they're going to try to climb. Their alliance partners move them out of the way a little bit. 1540, the Flaming Chickens, they have a cage in their robot, and they line up. They're up in the air. Nerd Herd is also up in the air, and it looks like Shockwave is just ever so slightly touching that barge zone on the red side of the field. 25 Lions winning this match 110 to 68. 4 ranking points for the Blue Alliance. 3 for that win, 1 for the barge. Red Alliance, on the other hand, getting a coral.